Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the string class in Java. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here I use a simple notepad to type our Java program. So we can say that definition. So yes, that is a write a program to use of string class. Yes, so that we can like concat to string. So string is a class in Java. So like java.language, we can say that package, and we can use the string in many programming. So that is a very important like palindrome, that string. So here we can just concatenation of two different string using string class. So string, not data type in C and C++, but string is a class in Java. So just let us start. First, I define the class name, and that is a string, but string, yes, so that underscore demo. Yes, so str demo. So that is our class name. And now what to do? So public static void main, that is our main method, and that args and that one dimensional array argument. And now what to do? So here we can directly, yes, in that is not possible of this statement. Like we can assign s1 and directly static. So that is you can in C and C++ you can take as a string str copy, string copy function. But here we can directly. So we can say that my uh, video teach, or we can say that yes, teaches that I. And now next I can s2, and we can say that my video teaches Java programming language. Yes, so that type of. And now we can concatenation of these two string in third one. So like operator overloading in C++. So like s1 plus s2. So that is a directly possibility, not any operator overloading in Java. So just we have to how it possibility. So let us check. So we can print yes s3. So that is a yes s2 is here. So s1 and s2 both string is concatenation and combined in s3. So directly we can like plus operator. So that is a directly concatenation, and here we can provide one blank. So blank. So that is a distinct these two string. So let us compile and run this Java program. Very simple. Only we have to take only four, and that two static string and concatenation in third string. And you can also print in directly. You cannot declare third variable. So both we have to testing. Yes. First I save this file, and that our Java Pro, that is our folder. And you have to know the rules of Java file is the same name as a class name. So that is a str underscore demo dot Java file, Java extension. So we can save, yes, minimize and go the command prompt. So yes, you can look here that is appear, and now I click maximize and cd slash and f colon. So change the drive, and cd that is a Java Pro, and then first I set the JDK path. So Java path that is my that we create a batch file name. So you can look that JDK path and class set path and set class path both are set. And now we can compile Java C and str that demo.java. So let us check. Yes, any that compile. Yes, there is no any error. And string underscore demo that we can compile. Java C is a compiler JDK tools, and Java is a application launcher of tools. So you can look. So my video teaches Java programming language to you. Yes, that is very simple. So let us we can edit. Yes, sir, directly in giving the I comment line of this statement. Yes, and directly right here you can concat or print like just two variables. So S1 plus S2. So you can also use this type of technique and directly print. So let us I can save and recompile. So yes, first compile and run. So you can look same output. So my video teaches Java programming language. So yes, so my goal of this session, how to string class, yes, very useful. So many method like equal method is there. So string class is very useful in Java programming. So here I just show you how it's two string concatenation directly without any like we can use in C and C++ string that is a strcpy string handling function, and there is no any string data type in C and C++, but now that Java is a class, that string class, and we can directly without operator overloading we can merge or concatenation of two string in Java. So yes, I hope you can understand and enjoy very simple program I can create for you. So string we have to learn in the Java. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.